Section 2.5, 2.6, Example 8. Solve n minus 2c2 equals 36. Keep it in mind that n, choose r, is n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. The n is whatever's in this first position, and r is whatever's in the second position. We start with n minus 2 factorial. Be very careful on the bottom. We have n minus r. Whatever is here, subtract whatever is here. So we have n minus 2 subtract 2 factorial times r factorial, 2 factorial, equals 36. N minus 2 becomes n minus 4 factorial times 2 factorial equals 36. 2 factorials, 2 times 1, 2. So we are going to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the 2 in the denominator. 2 divided by 2 cancels out. And just to simplify, we have n minus 2 factorial over n minus 4 factorial equals 72. We then need to break apart one of those factorials. We choose the larger of the 2 factorials. We can see n minus 2 is larger than n minus 4. So we start by n minus 2. 1 less than n minus 2 is n minus 3. 1 less than n minus 3 is n minus 4. We stop here because we do notice that there is an n minus 4 in the denominator. And now n minus 4 factorial can cancel with n minus 4 factorial. So we have n minus 2 times n minus 3 equals 72. We need to FOIL this out. N squared minus 3n minus 2n plus 6 is 72. N squared minus 5n plus 6 is 72. This is a quadratic equation that we are trying to solve for n. We want equals 0, so I am going to subtract 72 from both sides. And we end up with n squared minus 5n minus 66 equals 0. We now need to factor the quadratic. We need a sum of negative 5 and a product of negative 66. What plus what will give me negative 5? And what multiplied by what number will give me negative 66? 6 times 11 will give me 66. 6 and 11. In order to add those two numbers together to get a negative 5, we need positive 6 and negative 11. 6 and negative 11 are the two numbers we are looking for. N plus 6 and n minus 11. Using our zero product property, we now finish solving for n. N plus 6 must be 0, or n minus 11 is 0. Solving for n in each equation, we end up with n equals negative 6 and n equals positive 11. For n, we need a positive number, so we need to reject the negative. N is 11.